Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. We are at another property. Now I already showed you guys a property just like this, but we were actually in Poinciana. Now we're in Palm Bay, but it's the same builder. So I decided, let me go ahead and just make a video, even though I showed you guys a home just like this, because this one actually have a fence up, and it's actually raining today, but you can still see, you guys, get a nice size yard here. Nice size yard. There isn't a fence there because that's actually the neighbor's fence, but you can actually put a fence up there to close it off. But we are in a different place, so let's go ahead and look around. This one is a 3-bedroom 2 full bath home. And hi, see you guys today. This one also has the shower. It looks exactly like the other one, you guys. So it has just a shower. You will have a tub in the other bedroom, but this is a primary bedroom here. A lovely size closet. Lovely size closet. So that is really nice too. And if you guys want to be anywhere in Florida, especially if you're in like South Florida, I will be happy to help you all with through the process. And then I'm also connected with other realtors. So say if I can't help you or you're out of my area, I can definitely refer you to one of my realtors that I'm connected with. So these are the other bedrooms that we have. So here is one of the bedrooms here. And the other house, this was actually the nursery. So they actually had it set up as a nursery, but this is a nice bedroom here. And then here is that full bath with the tub. And then also here is the other bedroom that they have. So it actually got the nursery on this side. So really nice. So yeah, call or text me 407-374-2747 if you're looking to purchase a home. I'll be happy to help you all with that process. And that's what your closets will look like in both of these bedrooms. Now let's actually go to the front door and look at the front door, and then we'll come back and look at the kitchen. Or actually, this one had that other bedroom up here. I keep forgetting about this one. So it's like a bonus bedroom. It's actually 4 bedrooms here. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, same type of closet. But yeah, keep forgetting about this extra bedroom up here. So this would be good if you have your in-laws with you or you want to be towards the front door. And this is your dining room here. So really nice. So this is what it looked like when you first come in. This is what it looked like. And then this up here is your kitchen and your open concept here. So yeah, so beautiful. So if you guys are looking to purchase, this one is in Palm Bay, but they have the same floor plans in multiple cities in Florida. These are in the 300,000. So if you're looking to purchase, definitely call or text me, and I'll definitely help you with the process. 407-374-2747. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.